It's decision day. Like today is it. This is going to dictate what's going to happen the next month and a half, 2 months. What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Hritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. I got the raccoon eyes going on. Just finished up a swim at the pool for Ironman training. Steadily progressing, man. We're getting closer, getting amped up, and let's go. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day out there right now. A little bit of an overcast here in my neck of the woods. The rain's starting to come down, and the rain is starting to dribble onto the markets because NVIDIA reported yesterday. Look, I got the green on, I got the NVIDIA hat on, and I talked about in the earnings preview that typically following the earnings report, it's not great for the markets. Historically, NVIDIA has sold down after gapping up, but here's the thing, they did not gap up after their report yesterday. They reported beautifully. It was a strong report, but we know NVIDIA gets punished for their success. And at the time that I'm recording this, down about $2. It's been back and forth pre-market this morning. 1 minute they're up $1, 1 minute they're up 78 cents, 1 minute they're down $1, but at the time I'm recording this, down $2. And futures are down 31 points, Bitcoin's down, but there is one company that is up that you should pay attention to today, and this will be a nice little test of this theory that I'm sure you've heard, is that when NVIDIA goes down, there's another company that goes up, and that is Tesla. So I will be watching Tesla this morning for some potential day trades. And yesterday we got information released on SpaceX, when it's going to be hitting the market. It looks like June 12th that that's going to be happening. And there's a lot of scuttlebutt out there. You like that word, scuttlebutt? That maybe down the line that SpaceX and Tesla will merge. And we're seeing a little bit of a pre-market pop today on Tesla. So look and see if we get some follow through there. If people want to trim off of those NVIDIA profits, rotate that money into Tesla, just keep an eye on it. That could happen today. So I'm going to be watching that. But here's the thing. It's not like if NVIDIA does sell down today, even if it sells down like $10, $15, it's had a hell of a move. Like it needs to cool down. People need to trim. People need to take profits. It's not a bad thing, but it's going to get framed as, oh man, we're so overextended. We're in a bubble, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, we get all that. It's a great company. This is a life-changing moment that we're in right now with artificial intelligence. It is. And Andrew Ross Sorkin yesterday on CNBC interviewed Jeff Bezos. You guys know who Jeff Bezos is, and was talking to him about artificial intelligence and is this a bubble? He said, yeah. He's like, but here's the thing. There's going to be companies who come out of this bubble who increase productivity for mankind, who stick and who go on to be these amazing companies. Not every company associated with artificial intelligence is going to be successful. So you will have your winners, you will have your losers, but make no mistake about it. He said this is a great moment in history for humankind because of what it's going to do to productivity, what it's going to do to enhance the quality of life for every human being. And I believe that as well. So don't get discouraged. And for all you bulls out there, if you see some red coming in today over the next few days, part of the process, man. There's nothing wrong with it. It's got to happen. It's the cycles. We talk about the cycles all the time. But there is the outside chance because NVIDIA did not gap up, right? We still have yet to see what happens when market opens. There's still an outside chance. Who knows? Maybe they go against the grain, and instead of dumping it like they've done and everybody's just expecting it, maybe they rip it higher and catch everybody off guard, trap everyone. We'll see. Stranger things have happened, and just when you think you have the market figured out, it says, nah, I'm in charge. I run the show here. This is what we're doing today. So we'll see what's going to happen there. I am still watching Bitcoin. I'm trying to figure out what is going with Bitcoin. Rejected off the 200 simple moving average. Has not broken out of there yet. Has not participated in this run. What's going on there? And I'd love to ask you guys, what's going on with Bitcoin right now? What is it going to take for it to break out? Is it the concern about quantum computing being able to break its security mechanisms? What is it? Is it inflation? Because inflation's higher, even though there's scarcity built into Bitcoin because there's only so many. What's the reason why Bitcoin hasn't broken out yet? That really intrigues me, and I'm watching that very closely. So that's what I got for you today. I want to say thank you to everybody who joined me for last night's webinar for my 1 Million Investors Challenge. I am trying to help 1 million people open a brokerage account and purchase their first share of a stock. Please join the movement. Even if you are a shareholder, just be part of the movement. You sign up, it counts towards the numbers of being part of this challenge that I'm doing to just get people involved into the markets. And I'm going to be doing webinars throughout the year to help people completely free, just answering questions about investing because I want to help and give back. I don't want anything from you. So if you know somebody who wants to learn how to invest, this is not trading, just send them my way and tell them to subscribe to the channel and look out for the next webinar. Sign up and they'll get information on when the next webinar is coming. So check that out. I got a new free class coming in June, people. Oh man, it's going to be amazing. I'll be announcing that here shortly. And I don't know if I have everything in. A new edition of the Courage Letter coming on Friday. So tons of stuff coming out there. You can subscribe to that. That is in the description as well. And I think I covered everything. I'm ready to trade. I can't wait. I'm rushing home so I can get home, be ready for the open. Let's go. What's going to happen? It's going to be so much fun. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a marvelous, magnificent, spectacular day. Make it a great one. Honor the moment. Most importantly, be grateful. Take care, everybody.